In this video, I'm going to show you how to grate ginger and the #1 tool for doing so. There is only one tool in my mind that is the best of the best when it comes to grating ginger, zesting lemons, grating garlic, whatever it might be. This tool is the #1, and I use this myself on a daily basis. I just used it 10 minutes ago when I made myself some tzatziki, and I'm going to use it now when I'm going to show you how to grate ginger. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is the microplane grater or microplane zester, which looks like this. This is a tool that is a absolute must-have for any professional chef, and it should be a must-have for any home cook as well. This is so versatile and it can be used for so many different things, and I want to show you a few things to keep in mind when you're using this and how to get all the bits out of when you're grating. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this piece of ginger here and just tidy this up a bit so we can start grating. Now, when you're grating on this grater, these blades, they are going upwards towards my hand like this. So when you're grating, you want to make sure that you don't grate down and then pull all the way up. So you want to grate down, right, and then lift up and go back up and then grate down, because if you keep pushing down on these small and thin little flaps that are doing the grating or the zesting for you, over time they're going to get pushed down and the grater is going to become less and less powerful over time. Now, this is a fantastic tool, and you know, they're not very expensive. I'll leave links to this in the description below. So at the end of the day, if they get worn down and you need to buy a new one, it's not going to cost you much, but it's, you know, it's an easy way to ensure that you give the tool the longest life possible by grating down and lifting up, grating down, lifting up, like this. Okay. Now, ginger is a very, very fibrous root. Okay, you can see here. Let's see if we can get this to focus. How like these little hairy looking things are all fibers that are running through the root itself. So that means that if you're going to use ginger in your food and you don't do this and you don't grate it, you're going to have pieces of ginger that are very fibrous and hard to chew, and it's not a very pleasant experience when you get that in your food. So I'm going to grate this piece up. Remember what I said, you want to grate and then lift up, grate and lift up, grate and lift up. I'm going to leave that now. And as you can see, on the back side of this here, we've got all this finely grated ginger. The easiest way to get this out is to grab the back side of a spoon and go into the corner of your microplane there, on that side, and then we grab the middle bit down just like that. You can see how juicy this is here. So you've got all the good bits. There are still fiber parts left in this bit here, but it's all so finely grated now, so it's not gonna be like big chunks in your food. You can spend a lot of time getting all this out if you want to, but we're just gonna leave that as it is for now. And that is how you grate ginger, and now you can use this here in cooking whatever it is that you're cooking, and you're not gonna have big chunks of ginger that are going to be unpleasant for the person who is eating.